Unit 61, blowing their tops. The eruption of Washington State's Mount St. Helens in 1980 caught Americans' attention because it occurred in their own country. But the Mount St. Helens cataclysm was only one in the long line of spectacular volcanic eruptions that have occurred over the past 100 years, many resulting in far more damage and loss of life. In 1902, Mount Pelée in Martinique exploded, shooting out a huge cloud of burning gas and ashes that killed the 30,000 citizens of Saint-Pierre. An 1883 eruption that blew the top off the island of Krakatoa near Sumatra created a tidal wave that killed 36,000 people and spewed enough debris into the atmosphere to create a worldwide haze. When Mount Bezumianea erupted in Siberia in 1956, it spit out 2.4 billion tons of rock, enough debris to bury the city of Paris. Although its ashes were carried over 250 miles, no one was killed because the volcano was in a remote area. But the eruption of Nevado del Ruiz in Colombia in 1985 caused mudslides that resulted in the deaths of over 23,000 people. In February of 1943, near the Mexican village of Perucutin, a man watched a volcano emerge in his cornfield. Dionisio Pulido was working in his field when a small crack in the ground began to expand and the earth started to shake. The stunned farmer watched until the danger forced him to leave. Out of the rift poured a cloud of smoke and sparks so large that at night it created a fireworks display visible for over 50 miles. By late March, the cloud had grown to a 20,000-foot column of smoke that was raining ashes on Mexico City, 200 miles away. Before the newborn volcano finally subsided in 1952, it had created a mountain 1,200 feet high where Pulido's cornfield had been.